So Kenny, what are you working on now?
Just detailing the hinges.
Oh,
taking off the tape and yeah, just going along the edge with the razor.
Oh, is that just a razor blade?
Yeah, razor blade tape.
Oh, tricky! You just attach it to
yeah
the end of a empty roll of masking tape, like that.
Yeah.
So I like, you know, he's in charge of putting all the paper down and all the plastic and stuff, and he always tries to find something else to do while the guys playing catch up. Now, as he's painting, Kenny's dropping back and starting to take the masking tape off the hinges and stuff, and that's probably a good thing because you don't want to leave this masking tape on very long, do you?
No.
This is, how long has this tape been on? A couple days?
Just 1 day.
1 day total?
Yeah, we did this yesterday.
Oh, that's right. Boy, I keep forgetting.
Yeah, 1 more day and this will be...
You haven't really spent a long time down here, have you? This is like the
second day.
The second full day?
Yeah. Second full day.
Wait.
Yeah.
That's right, huh?
Yeah.
And then you were here the day, the previous day for a few hours. So this is maybe less than 2.5 days, and this is all the stuff that they've done so far. Basically, 2 of them. They've got another helper here today, but yesterday and the day before, they were here just by themselves, just Kenny and Christian.
Yeah.
Boy, that's lots of stuff here that they've done.
A lot of work.
A lot of work. And the key is, before you start taking everything down, you got to think about, okay, am I all done 100% in certain areas? And see, these walls here have not been sprayed yet, but he's taken the hinges off because when they get ready to spray this wall, they're going to plastic this off here. See, from here over, they'll put a piece of plastic. They'll put a piece of plastic here over this door opening. They got the masking tape. You see, there's some plastic here. They've got a little bit of plastic here, and they've got their way to do this. Oh, I see what they've done. They're going to paint this, and they've got this plastic here just to protect this in here as they do these walls here. They've got a system, that's for sure. You've always got to have some kind of system as you go, because you don't want to waste time. You don't want to waste the materials, and you don't want to go back and have to do things twice if you don't have to. Because that's the thing with spraying. If you make a mistake and then you have to do an area, then you need to mask everything off, put the plastic all back up. It's not like, oh, get the paint roller out. Here, you missed this one little spot over here. Just roll that and cut that in. No, they don't do that. I don't even know if they have a paintbrush on the job site here or a paint roller. I don't think they do because they're using the sprayer. Maybe at the final touch-up, do you do anything with a paintbrush? Or when you touch up in certain areas, you might put a couple pieces of plastic up and some masking tape and just do a spot spray too, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna do that for sure.
Yeah. He pointed one little place out where at the window stool over here, and so they're just keeping aware of that kind of stuff. And I'm not sure exactly what happened, but he knows that they need to do a little bit work over here. And so when this gets all dry, they'll put up a little bit of plastic, a little bit of paper in here, and then they'll do a little bit of spot spraying.
You need your wrench.
Okay, she needs my wrench. I've got to go. Okay, let's go. We're putting the hose together outside. See you later, Kenny.
Bye, Kenny. Bye, Diego.
Bye, Diego.
Where's your wrench?
Okay, I think it's upstairs. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. The painters are in there doing all their stuff, and they're kind of using the garage as a staging area a little bit. But before they get all done, they're going to paint this garage, and they're also going to paint this exterior door. Now, what does that mean? Most exterior doors that go out, well, lots of them anyways, will have the weather stripping. Remember I was telling you about the weather stripping? That's kind of in that groove. This one happens to have it. Lots of exterior doors going from the garage to outside doesn't have this. Maybe they got some weather stripping screwed on right here or something. But this is wedged in, and it looks just like this stuff. See here? I took these out for the door from the garage going into the house. See? There's a little chamfer groove along there, right there, all the way around. And I went ahead and took that off because they're going to be painting this, and I didn't want them to hit that. I didn't want them to hit this stuff because this is a pain to clean. I don't care if you put masking tape on it and spray inside. It's just going to get on it. And when I took that out, I even marked it right side, left side, and that was the main garage. Because they don't all necessarily exactly fit in the same spots in case they had to cut a little bit off and stuff. And the right one could go on the left side if you flip it upside down, but if it's got some marks down at the bottom, you know, all that kind of stuff. Just go ahead and mark it. I had that blue tape, and see, I'm just going to get on this. I'm going to kind of hold this. I'm going to use a putty knife. Where is my putty knife? Oh, here it is. Just a flat one. See, it's round from all the scraping. I used to clean grout in showers and floors and stuff. I rubbed the side off all the way down to nothing. But you get up there, and here's the top bit. Okay, so just put your putty knife in there and kind of bend out on it. See? Like that. Once you get it all, you can kind of pull on it, and that's that. See, there's the first one right there. That's the top. I'm going to put this on the tripod now, and I'm just going to keep working at this. And sometimes they don't come out this easy, especially if somebody painted it or something. You just put your cutting knife in there. Just pull it on down. That. And once they paint, I'm going to have to be careful. And if they've got any paint in there, kind of clean that out so that that weather stripping will go back in when I get done. It's a little bit trickier to put it back in. Okay, but you'll figure it out. You put the one stuff in, as you take it out, you'll see how it goes back together. Once you get ready to put it back in, put the top one in first, line the top up. You may have to pull this out like that, and then you may have to push it in from the back side. You see, tap it in there, or take your putty knife in there and push it in, and then just make sure it's all nice and tight. This doesn't take very long. But can you imagine if this was in there? There's no way to paint this nice and professional. Even if you try to pull it out, put tape on there, there's just no way. I don't care who you are, what kind of painter you are, or profess to be. You're going to get that on there. No ifs, ands, or to buts. Let's look at this again. You'll see what I mean. Especially if you're painting the exterior. Like if you're painting the exterior, there's no way you're going to get up in there perfectly. I don't care what kind of painter you are. There's just absolutely no way. But can you see after the trim is off, after this weather stripping is off, you can paint this green from here over, nice and easy. And you can paint you see, there's no way, if you're just painting the inside, and painting this white, there's no way you're gonna hit that, or not hit that, you know? Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.